In the last video, we learned that maturation is the must-have ingredient that allows Empower to be a functional economy, and that's why it can pay us now and in the future, while other social networks and websites cannot. Now that you understand why maturation exists in Empower, let's see how you can watch your earnings maturing and when you can cash them out. By clicking your balance, you can see a graph that displays all your earnings, showing how you earned them and how you may have spent some of them. The height of each bar shows how much you earned on any specific day. If the bar is blue, it means you've already spent those earnings, and if the bar is green, it means you have not spent those earnings. Just click or roll over on any date, and you can see how you earned and how you may have spent the earnings generated on that date. Here's the rule for matured cash outs. You can cash out any of your unspent profits that have matured for 90 days after the month they were generated. For example, you can cash out all of your profits from May on the last day of August, which is 90 days after the month of May. In other words, on the last day of August or any time after that, your earnings from May or any time before that will be eligible for cashing out. So, on the last day of August, simply take all the unspent earnings from May or any time before and subtract out anything you owe the platform, and that's exactly how much you can cash out. By the way, you don't need to do any math yourself. I'll show you where you can find the information already calculated for you. But first, what might you owe the platform? 1. Any unpaid ad platform fees, if you chose to not pay them each month. If you chose to pay them each month, then you probably owe 0 in ad platform fees. 2. Any ad credits you utilized. If you're like most people, most of what you'll be able to cash out will be because of the ad credits that Empower extended to you. By the way, soon, in another video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about ad credits and ad platform fees, so don't worry if you're not familiar with some of the terms quite yet. Just know that ad credits were given to you so that you could start earning profits immediately when you first joined Empower. So, your 90-day or greater matured unspent earnings minus any utilized ad credits or ad platform fees equals your profits that you can cash out immediately. That's called your matured profits, which you can cash out using what's called a matured cash out. If math is not your thing, don't worry. The math is already done for you. Simply click your balance and you can see how much of your earnings have matured for 90 days or more. So when you're ready to do a matured cash out, simply visit your balance and press cash out, and you'll have different options for how you'd like to receive your money. And that's everything you need to know about matured cash outs. Next, let's take a look at early cash outs, which is how you can cash out immediately without maturation.